Where am I going? Nowhere. I'm gonna walk my dog with this makeup look. Gunmetal brown. The heck? That's an ugly color. My wings are sisters from different mothers today. Hi friends! Thank you so much for joining me today and hanging out with me while I unbox my April 2020 Boxycharm video. Unbox a video? What the heck am I talking about? Unbox my April 2020 Boxycharm box. So I recently at the middle of April decided to subscribe to Boxycharm, and I don't know why it took me so long to subscribe to it. I mean, for $25 a month you get 5 full-size products that are pretty much guaranteed to be worth more than $25. I have been waiting to use the products that I received till I could use them with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Boxycharm box and see me use the products that I got, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's just get right into opening the Boxycharm that I received. I'm just gonna give you guys a forewarning. I did not receive any of the products from the April 2020 Boxycharm product list because I'm guessing that they ran out, and I ended up signing up for Boxycharm kind of late April, so I'm guessing that's why I didn't receive any of the products that were listed for April 2020. Nevertheless, I thought it'd be cool to show you guys what I received. So when you sign up for Boxycharm, you get like a free little gift, I guess. And I just got this Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream by QMS here. It's like a cute little size, but obviously this is a full-size eye cream. You know, eye creams are small. I got the Tarte's Shimmering Lip Paint here. That's a pretty legit product, I'd say. And it's in the shade Flaming Hot, so ooh, that sounds like a good summer color. We'll see what that looks like. I got this Luxie Premium Synthetic Handcrafted brushes right here, and that's pretty awesome because these are tiny brushes, which are perfect for my smaller eyes. You know, I don't really use big brushes for my eyes. It just doesn't work like that with me. So these are really good for blending out like minor detail work or like blending out cut creases, you know, tiny little details. And I'm really excited about these two. I got 2 Tatcha face masks. These are the Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. I'm really excited to try these out. I haven't really bought any Tatcha products because they're crazy expensive, and I just feel like it's not very economical to be spending that much money on skincare when I could be using other brands that are also really good. I just don't want to break the bank, and I just want to be conscientious about my money spending. So I'm glad that I got these Tatcha masks because I'll be able to try them out and see if they're really good or even like really worth the money, right? And then finally I got the Nightingale eyeshadow palette by Pretty Vulgar. It says embrace your beautiful contradictions on the back. That's a deep thought. So those full-size 5 products are the products that I received in my first April 2020 Boxycharm box. That's hard to say. Boxycharm box ever. I obviously am not going to be using face masks here. I mean, I'm going to be sitting here with a face mask on while talking to you guys. I mean, that sounds fun, but I don't think it'll be fun for you guys to watch. I will be trying out all the products that I can try out here. I'll be trying out the Nightingale eyeshadow palette. I'll be trying out these tiny brushes, as well as the Tarte's Shimmering Lip Paint lip product here, and those are the only 3 that I can try out for this video. So let's just dive right in. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's really cute. It's a really cute design, right? Looks like a little bird cage. It's kind of dirty. Bummer. Didn't survive the shipping. So it looks like a pretty good cool tone to neutral eyeshadow palette here. You got some shimmers, you got some mattes, you got some satins, so you got a good variety of textures in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right in. So I wanted to create this look right here on the Makeup Forever Instagram page. I figured it'd be a good look to kind of recreate with this palette. I'm also gonna go ahead and take these brushes out of their sleeves. Wow. These are really perfect for my eye size. I'm so excited. But before I can go ahead and use, you know, these detail brushes, I have to put some wash of color on my eyes. So I think what I'm gonna do so what I think I'm gonna do is take a neutral wash of color that's not too intense right here, Hide and Seek, and I'm gonna take that on a fluffy brush that I have, and I'm gonna put a wash of color on my eyelid. Wow, right off the bat, it has pretty good pigmentation. I'm liking it so far. I have not used Pretty Vulgar's products before, so this is a first for me. And so far, I mean, in my very limited first impression experience right now, it looks pretty good. Alright, time for these little guys to come into play. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Luxie 121 mini tapered brush right here. It's teeny tiny and it's perfect to go back and blend them edges, because you know you don't want to be looking all messy. That's pretty cute. That's pretty cute. So next I'm gonna go in with this color called Flip Out right here. It's kind of like a more neutral chocolatey brown. I'm gonna take that and add it right below where I added that initial color. It's just gonna deepen it a little bit more, and I'm gonna take another brush right here. I don't really know if I should take that much, but like right here, I'll first tap it on, and kind of deepen this look right here and add it to the corner area too, and you gotta blend it out. We'll do a little more color placement because I need a little more deepening, so I'll just tap some more product in here. Going back to the smaller brush, I'm gonna just tap lightly into the hide and seek color to blend out this chocolatey brown color I just first laid down. Whee! It is hot in LA, oh my goodness. It's been like the 80s Fahrenheit for those of you who aren't in the US. 80 degrees Fahrenheit for like the last couple weeks. It's been crazy. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do may seem a little crazy to you guys, but I'm gonna add the Silver Spoon color here. It's like a shimmery gunmetal gray color. I'm gonna add that to the halo area. And I think I'm just gonna sweep it all on there. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for it. And it's looking like, wow, that's pretty good, right? Gonna shape out this half circle shape right here. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but that chocolatey brown shade that we put there as a contrast is working real nicely with this gunmetal brown, or gunmetal brown. What the heck? That's an ugly color. Gunmetal gray. That's looking pretty good. So I'm just gonna keep packing it on until the intensity is where I want it to be. I'm not really seeing any fallout either, which is really great. All right, I'm just gonna go back and blend this edge here using that same Luxie 121 brush. I'll use a little bit of hide and seek and a little bit of Flip Out again. Blend, blend, blend. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that haloing pop in the center of my lid. I'll use this tiny little flat brush here. So I'm just gonna use a mixture of these two and maybe a little more of this champagne-y satiny shade and try to create that halo look. Wish me luck. That's pretty cute. You know what? I'm thinking this look is pretty cute. Like, it's not exactly a daytime friendly look for me, but it's still cute and I don't care. I'll wear it out. Wait, I'm not going anywhere. Where am I going? Nowhere. I'm gonna walk my dog with this makeup look. And what's really nice about this palette is that it also has like this matte, demi-matte, creamy, like white color. And it's really good to just highlight your brow bone. I don't really like a really shimmery brow bone, so it'll help tie everything together and kind of clean up some of the messy edges too. And then, you know, if you wanted to clean up the V a little bit, you could use that same color and do that too. All right, and I'm gonna highlight the inner corner area. I'm gonna use the Break Free color right here. Shimmery, creamy shade. Hopefully it'll tie this whole look together. That looks pretty good. All right, guys, I'm just gonna recreate what I have on this side to this eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got both eyes done, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line it real quick. Can't doubt yourself when you're doing your liquid liner. My wings are sisters from different mothers today. We're just gonna have to deal with that. I'm just gonna pop on some falsies here. I think the last thing I have to try on is this Tarteist lip paint. Let's just see what the color is. Let's do the color reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, what? Oh my goodness, this is like glitter mania. This shade is called Flaming Hot. Now tell me, does this make you guys think of Flaming Hot? I'm not sure, but let's try it on anyway. Let's see what this color is. Oh, it's a thick formula. Okay. It's like really glassy and it's decently pigmented. I'm personally not a big fan of like goopy gloss. This is pretty though. It's not as like crazy looking as I thought it would be. So let me finish the rest of my face, like bronzer, highlight, and whatnot, and share with you my final thoughts on my first ever Boxycharm. Okay, I'm back. So I did receive 5 full-sized products from Boxycharm, which are all high-end products, though I didn't receive any of the April 2020 product list because I signed up for it too late, presumably. I did receive products that I would actually use, like obviously I'm gonna use those Tatcha's face masks like no other. My skin has not been very cooperative lately, well actually since like October, but I know I'm gonna use all of these products because they're all very usable products for me in my preference. I believe that Boxycharm probably took into account, you know, my quiz that I took online to show what my preferences are, what kind of products I would like to see in my box. I think they delivered. I said I want some skincare and I want some makeup. I can have options of mostly makeup, some skincare, mostly skincare, and a little bit of makeup, but I just wanted to do half and half, especially because I'm getting kind of, you know, at that age where I'm starting to see some fine lines and wrinkles, so I should care a little bit more about skincare. Plus, skincare is really expensive, so, you know, for the price of paying $25 per box, you're getting an expensive skincare item. I think that's way more worth it because makeup tends to be a little cheaper, I mean, depending on the brand, but a little cheaper than skincare, and I feel like you're getting more bang for your buck if you're getting like good skincare products that are like $70+ That was kind of my thought process behind that. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it, even though I didn't really receive what I was expecting to. I will be filming another unboxing for the May 2020 Boxycharm for you guys, and just let me know in the comments down below if you actually would like to continue seeing Boxycharm unboxing videos, because I personally would enjoy filming them. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and, you know, testing out some of these products with me, and I hope you enjoy the look I came up with. So before I go, I do want to encourage you to join the beauty fam if you haven't already. We welcome you here, we appreciate you here, and I just feel like I want to continue on this wave of creating wholesome, positive content for you guys to enjoy that's drama-free and fuss-free. Don't we all want fuss-free? Yeah, so if you haven't joined already, what are you waiting for? Yeah, also it would help me out a lot if you were to like this video. It would kind of indicate to me that you guys enjoy this type of content, help me kind of gauge what kind of content would be the best for you guys. So it would help me out if you were to give me that kind of feedback. And with that, before I go, I do want to leave you with my every video word of encouragement. You guys are beautiful, amazing, wonderful, beloved creatures that were fearfully and wonderfully made. You guys are not alone. You are loved, and I just hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Be kind to yourselves, because it is the hardest for us to be kind to ourselves. Isn't that kind of ironic? But it is true. So it's definitely something that I have to also keep in mind all the time, because the negative thoughts are just overwhelming, especially these times. So I just want to give you that friendly reminder to continue being kind to yourselves, because you are the only one that can be you in this world, right? Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!